currencies. And remember I said news only comes out for what? One currency. And you add it to a currency pair to trade. So now, from there, the time, you see the countries who have news for today, and the next thing is who? Impact. The impact of a news will determine whether that news is important or not. And now you see we have a yellow impact, we have red, and we have one other color like orange. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, take note of something important. Traders only focus on who? The red. So now, the first red important news we have is at when? Monetary policy move from which country? And at 1:30 we now have what? So that's UECB press conference. We have main financing rate. So now let's look at the envelopes of this important news to see how important they are. Now, coming to this news, this envelope. Now, this news is from European Central Bank. They call it ECB. Just like we have CBN. That is what? ECB. And they expected that if it's more hawkish than expected, it's good for news. We are going to learn what's the meaning of it. When you are dealing with monetary policy, the two words you're going to hear is hawkish and dovish. Those are the two words. We are still coming back to it. Now, the next one is in October 28. And ECB usually changes the statement slightly at each release. It is these changes that traders focus on. Excuse me. The primary. Excuse me. Now, central banks of every nation, are we listening?
Yes.
Is to curb on anything that will increase inflation on their currency. Yes or no?
Yes.
Just like when CBN is cramping down on who? Not banks on so many forex who are doing some. But it's not what's crucial business. Now my rule is this, it's simple. Have a singular what? Exchange rate. How can you tell me if I go to the bank to buy, so in short, I don't think you can buy. The banks will sell to me at a ridiculous rate. Extremely annoying rate. If I want to pay something online, it's a different rate. If you look at it, I think we have up to 7 parallel market rates. It's only Nigeria I've seen 7. Other countries is just what? That's it. So we need to first of all nip the trouble on the board. Then before you start doing what? Dealing with every other person. Now the job as central bank is to manage the country's currency. So that's why they bring out policies and decisions. Excuse me. At the end of the day, these policies and decisions can be positive or what? Negative. So now let's learn the word hawkish and dovish. Let me quickly see a website to learn that word. Website. Please, let's quickly write it out.